Hello, in this video I am going to show you TLS automation in Eclipse Che deployment process. Before this is implemented, users had to pre-create namespace for Eclipse Che as well as some secrets with generated by user self-signed TLS certificates. Despite Che documentation has detailed steps how to do it, it's not that comfortable to do all the steps manually, and for some users it might not be that straightforward, so we decided to automate this process, and now users can just use CheCTL to deploy Eclipse Che in TLS mode without any manual steps. Moreover, TLS is now the default option, so we even don't have to specify it in CheCTL. So let's try it. In this demo I'm using Minikube. Let's check that Minikube is running. It is, and let's use CheCTL to deploy Che server. So we need server start. We are using Minikube and also self-signed certificate. And that's it. TLS option is added automatically, and for Minikube, even self-signed cert option is guessed, but for real cluster users have to specify it. Also, I want to add one implementation note that the certificates is generated inside user cluster. It's more secure, and also it is makes deployment process more stable, so it doesn't depend on any external stuff like operation system, installed software, and so on. Eclipse Che deployment is in progress, and when it finishes, CheCTL will retrieve public part of generated self-signed CA certificate and save it in user's home directory. Then, to start using Eclipse Che, we'll have to import the certificate into our browser, and in case we want other users safely access this Eclipse Che instance, we should give them that file with certificate, and they should import it into their browser or operation system. Now let's wait a bit until Eclipse Che is ready. So Eclipse Che is successfully deployed, and we see in the output that manual action is required. We need to add the generated self-signed CA certificate in our browser, and by default it's CCI SRT in user's home directory. So let's try to do it and import the certificate. Actually, we need only first tick, and let's open Eclipse Che. Let's copy URL, insert it, and that's it. We can now access Eclipse Che. It requires changing password on the first login, and that's it. We are using Eclipse Che in TLS mode, and we may check that browser shows that connection is secure. This is basically it. Thank you for watching.